Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a Jaybest Kids smartwatch, and it is waterproof. It contains a touchscreen. It is a mobile smartwatch phone for 3 up to 13 years old girls or boys. You have a SOS call anti-lost SIM card smartwatch with camera, game, and it is the black version. It is also available in different kind of colors too, no problem, and it is waterproof. The new release in that summer was that kid's smartwatch with IP67 level waterproof. It supports swimming, bath and pool. It's the best way to enjoy with the water play. Adjust silicone watch band are lightweight and wear resistant. It has a built-in touchscreen, 2 colors available, pink, blue, black. It's more than 2 colors, I think. And it's compatible with, for example, iPhone, iOS 7 and above, and Android phones, Android 4.4 and above. You have various functions in it: smartwatch phone, dial, phone book, quick learning, micro chat, camp function. You have an album, SOS emergency call, LBS plus AGPS positioning, anti-lost function, remote control, remote cam. You have a math game. Parents can control and see what the watch is doing and where is your kid right now. That's really nice. The IP67, it is water resistant, dust rating kids smartwatch, protects your smart band effectively. Kindly remind, cannot be used in hot water, in hot baths or sauna. Okay, this is important. And do not press any button underwater. Reduction of the service life will be incorrect use. Okay, that means you have to look about. Don't use the watch function underwater. Do this only out of the water, but you can go swimming with this watch. And it's easy to operate. The kids Setracker mobile watch is easy to operate and very intuitive. Comes with a short USB charge cable, and this comes with an magnetic docking function in it. This is really nice. You only have to use this connector on the bottom side of the watch. Take it in position, then place the other side in a USB charger. Job's done. You have you have to buy a SIM card. It is not a nano and not a maxi. It is a medium-sized SIM card for it. And if you install it, use the screw to unscrew the screw on the, I think it was the left side of the watch, and under it there is a place, a slot to enter your SIM card. After you installed your SIM card, you are ready for some location binding things. You can locate now and track the watch by your smartphone at home. It needs to be enabled GPRS function and caller ID function. It must be compatible with 2G or data traffic. And if you have this, you can locate the watch, and you can answer some phone calls. You can have a lifetime chat with your kid if it is on the road or in the school, etc. And it is so easy by using the app for it. The app is for free. Then you have to create an account of it, and then you can have with the app on your smartphone, you can control and set up the clock, the watch itself. You have to choose a SIM card. You need to choose a micro SIM card supports GSM network, not CDMA. Open 2G digital service and caller ID service. Register is easy. Scan the QR code or input the registration number in the app and then create a new account. Then log in the app, choose the correct area, set the function that you like, really. And a few moments after this, you can have fun with your watch by using the SIM card. Okay, if you do not insert a SIM card, the watch will run. There is no problem about this. But you do not have the tracking thing. You do not have the chat options. You do not have the network thing in it. Okay, but this is normal. It's you. If you have a smartwatch, you have to connect the smartwatch, any smartwatch, to another smartphone, or you use a SIM card for it. And it's waterproof. The display is 1.44 inches. The talk time 3 up to 4 hours. The battery inside is 3.7 voltage. It is a lithium polymer battery. The app language is English, Spanish, German, French, and Italian. And the watch language is English. You have the smartwatch for the kit. You have a USB cable, a screwdriver, and a cover screws. And of course, you have a manual with it. And then your children can contact you by using that watch. SOS, chat function, a cam option, anti-lost option is on board. And if you are heading into the menu, you have some different kind of setup there. You can have enter some contacts. You can perform a math game. You can use a cam to take some photos. Then the photo you can transfer into a library. In the library you can have some fun with the pictures, and you can see, of course, the daytime here in the display. It is touchscreen, and you can, if you insert a SIM card, and then you can call, for example, the mommy, daddy, Grammys, etc., and you can chat with them. It is really easy to use. The dimensions are overall 100 millimeters. Only the watch base is 55 millimeters, and one type. The overall is more. I think it's about 230 millimeters, and you have a power button. Only one button on the right side. You have you can use on the right side of the watch there is an LED flash. So you have a power SOS button. You have a touch button, or touch screen is all the buttons there. Then you can use the glasses on as touch. You can use the LED flash. You can use the cam. You can set an alarm clock. You can lock your phone if you are in the classroom, for example. And IP67 level daily life waterproof. And this is really awesome, because most of these kids smartwatches out there are not waterproof. That means it will be wet fast if your kid is using this. If you have a device offline problem, check whether there are signal bars on the left side in the screen. If there is no signal bars, please check whether the SIM was inserted correctly and go to good signal place and check it again. And if there is no signal mark, please open the data and voice plan for the SIM card. If there are signal bars and you do not have the signal mark, but watch still was showing offline enough through, The first important thing to do was check the watching settings by sending it as text messages, for example, a PW 12345 TS and then hashtag. A few moments later, you got a text message back from the watch that showed it had an incorrect IP address setting, for example. This was resolved by sending the watch another text message as follows. And this is for UK and European Union. Now, PW 123456 IMSI hashtag. At this point, the app starts working with the watch. If there are still problems, then you have to call the support, of course. But mostly it will do not have some troubleshooting things because the app is easy to travel, easy to use, and easy to set up, as you can see. In the app, you have some other things for your parents. For example, you can have the account divide thing. You can make some pictures with it. You can locate the watch. You can locate and chat with your kids if they're wearing the smartwatch too, and you can find them. You can take some information about it. Really awesome. This is a new generation of smartwatch for kids. I think so. Really nice. So that it is. It is, and yeah, it is good. It is really good thing for your fam, for your kid outside there. Jaybest Kid Smartwatch, and it's waterproof. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.